What's going on today, Bread Gang? How are you guys doing? You guys can see the title of the thumbnail. We are jumping into the madness today. $10 Walmart challenge. But first, we have two very important things to do. I just got the grass cut in my yard over here, but now I gotta do all of that crap. I don't even know if it's my yard, but we're gonna be nice and do it. And we gotta get the truck washed today. So if you guys have seen pictures on my Instagram, you know that the truck is really dirty. Well, really dirty to my standards. And the guys are here to get it washed today. Say hello. Hello, hello. All right, well, I'll see y'all in a minute when we get done. Hair is cut, grass is cut, trucks are washed. Truck 1, truck 2 is washed. Huge shout out to the boys. Their Instagrams will be in the link in the description below. Make sure to go check them out. Now, let's roll this intro and get into this craziness of a Walmart video I have for you guys today.
That's what I'm talking about.
Supposed to be here right now, so we gotta be really quiet. Shh. What the hell am I talking about? What's going on today, Bread Gang? How are you guys doing? So I talked about in the intro, we're at Walmart right now, and we're probably not supposed to be. We're right in the middle of this whole quarantine thing that's going on right now. And nobody's supposed to be outside, but Walmart is absolutely packed right now. Now, is this the smartest decision? No, but the truck mods and the truck content has to continue. We do this for you guys. We do it for the Bread Gang. We're willing to take the risk, obviously taking necessary precautions. Before we jump into the video, real quick, I'm not gonna tell you guys much about what we're doing here until we get there. I'll explain more later, but I do wanna give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Boost Auto Parts. You guys know Boost Auto Parts. I'm sure 99% of you do. If you don't, then you need to stop living under that rock. You need to get the hell outside. Get on Instagram and go follow Boost Auto Parts on Instagram. I've got their tow mirrors. Obviously, I'm sure some of you think that I'm lying. I don't really have their tow mirrors, but they're right here with the smoked LED switchbacks and the all the great stuff. Boost Auto Parts, all of their mirrors are made custom in 3 days. Everything is custom every single time because they have so many options. They have a bunch of different other products as well. Make sure to go follow them on Instagram at Boost Auto Parts. But I'm gonna run into Walmart. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. We are here for a new truck mod, $10 or less. I know exactly what it's gonna be, and as long as it's here and it's $10, I'm gonna get it, and I'm pretty sure. But like I said, I'll explain later. Let's go. Quarantine, huh? Probably 100 cars out here. I think the smartest decision about this is not going in the two main entrances. I'm gonna go in the outdoor section. Look at all the parking, and there's nobody over here, but there's everybody over that way. So I think that's the smartest decision I've made in this whole process, unless there's a sign on the door that says I can't go in. But we're about to find out. Nope, can't go in that door apparently. All right, never mind. Thought I was gonna be safe today. Make it to the automotive section. Where are we at? Where are we at? I think it's this way. All the way in the back corner. Don't see it. Don't see it. All right, I think I found what we need, and let's get the hell out of here. I'm an idiot and crumpled up the receipt so you guys can't see that. We're actually sticking to the $10 challenge today. I'm not sure how well this is going to work, but the idea in theory is pretty cool. If you guys are wondering who cuts my hair, Steph Styles ATL. Hit him up on Instagram, schedule an appointment. He lives local to the Marietta area. So if you guys are in Atlanta, need a good haircut, check my man out. But we got out of there, stole this pretty much. Not actually stole it, but pretty much stole it. $6.30. You guys can't see it on the receipt because I crumpled it up, but $6.30. It is an absolutely disgusting day outside. I'm glad I made it out of there alive. So I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow when we have some better weather to actually, you know, install this mod. And I'll explain everything that we're doing then. I'll see you guys in about 2 seconds. Well, that didn't work very well. Never mind. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
A few moments later.
I'm super excited that the rain has finally stopped. I hope you guys know in between that break for the intro, or whenever it was, there's been like 2 or 3 day difference. I'm finally, for like 20 minutes, got some blue sky. Just Atlanta rain is ridiculous right now, but let's get to it. I know you guys are excited to see what I got at Walmart, and this is what I got. So so the $10 Walmart challenge consists of this. $6.30. Now you guys are probably gonna think this is really stupid, and honestly I don't really care because I'm just having fun with this during this whole, you know, outbreak beer virus crap. So I'm trying to have some fun, make some fun videos for you guys, and you know, give you guys something fun that you can do at home without having to spend a bunch of money. So I have really always liked white wall tires, and I know that you guys can probably tell by the thumbnail, but I've really always liked white wall tires. I had the BF Goodrich white wall letters on this truck back when I had a 4-inch lift kit, and I've always loved the look. But the only tires that they really make big enough, and even in the big sizes they still don't make them, the white walls, is the STT Pros, the Coopers. So today, for $6.30, what we are going to do is we are going to put white wall lettering on the truck. That's what we're gonna do today. $6.30, you cannot beat that. So I did see that, you know, they sell, you can Google on Walmart, they sell tire paint, actual tire paint at Walmart, AutoZone, stuff like that. But I did not want to buy the permanent paint because I don't know how this is gonna look. I'm a little worried, and I don't want it to be permanent. You know, the $10 is just, no. So, and if I was really gonna do something permanent, I'd get some stickers or something like Tall Guy Car Reviews has or something like that. But we're just having some fun with this today. So what this is a chalk marker. This isn't actually a permanent marker. Used on windows, light boards, windows, windshields, and other non-porous surfaces. One thing that I really did like about this is the fact that it's not permanent, and it actually says they'll stay on until you decide to wipe them off with a damp cloth. First of all, that rhymes, bars. That's the goal today. So I'm gonna set up the camera and we're gonna get to drawing on the tires over here. I'm so excited to see what the white walls look like. You guys have no idea. For less than 10 bucks, you can be this excited. But I'm gonna stop talking and get to drawing on my tires. All right, so we're gonna start with the Nitto up top. Hopefully this works. I'm gonna be really upset if it doesn't, but that's the fun of these videos. $10 Walmart challenge for 10 bucks, you know? A little plastic on it, gets plastic off. I'm actually really surprised. Look at me doing a little unboxing. Wow. That is not gonna work. That was an epic fail. So obviously the Walmart pin did not work. That was an epic fail, but we're gonna stick with the theme of the video. We actually, $2.11 at AutoZone, sorry, Advanced Auto Parts, $2.11, so we actually did stay under the $10 mark, but I got this little chalk tire marker, so we're gonna try that out instead. I know the video is a $10 Walmart challenge, and we tried the $10 Walmart challenge, but that kind of failed, obviously, and you can tell by the thumbnail. So we're gonna keep with it. We're gonna keep grinding. We're gonna get this spread today. I'll see you guys at home when we get the white walls on. All right, we're gonna see if the tire marker works this time better than the other marker, because that was an epic fail. This is already broken in the packaging, so we're starting off great. Hopefully I don't break it some more. Try it out and see. Uh-oh. No. This is gonna be the worst white wall job. For $10, at least all it'll do is give you an idea if you really want white walls. That looks so terrible. I think the marker would have been better.
That's not gonna look too bad from far away. I'm still not gonna like it though. I'll finish it up real quick and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. First of all, I know, just forget the fact that this looks terrible, but this actually does not look that bad. Like, I think having some raised white letters on these tires, I only did the back one, I didn't do the front, but you can see the comparison between having the big raised white letters on this and that, and I actually think that would look really good. Like, that's not bad. I mean, comparing the black to the white to the black, I think the white is freaking cool, because going down the road you get to see like the white outline and everything, and as it's spinning, that's really cool. For $10, there you have it, Bread Gang style raised white letters on the 375s. I think that's a first. I don't know if anybody's put raised white letters on 375s, even the aftermarket stickers. I might be the first to do that. I might not be, I don't know, but I think that looks really freaking cool. I'm actually really happy with that. I thought that was gonna turn out absolutely terrible, and it might did. You guys might think that turned out absolutely terrible. I think it turned out pretty freaking cool. And it's gonna rain a lot in the next couple of days, so it's gonna be gone anyway, and it's not permanent. So for $2.20, $2.30, $2.11, it was whatever it was. For $2, you can go to AutoZone and you can buy some white chalk and you can make your own raised white letters. That's freaking cool. But I hope you guys enjoyed the content. I hope you guys are staying safe at home. Make sure to wash your hands and eat some bread for me. I'll see you guys next time. As always, let's get this bread.
Get the spread.
Is it gonna focus on me? Is there? Say hello. Freedom_F150. Follow my man right here. We're not gonna do that today.
Dude, it's pretty damn wide.